Anibonani Dumelani actually. Hi, welcome to Domi's TET Elishisa Pe album Ipuzu Haba Ngoba Ozosha if you uhlale phansi ukhuleke so that you can enjoy. Let's get into the video. If umuntu ama-vlogs uzwazi ukuthi uVanessa ubani, she's one of those people lesithi masimbukela sithi we relate, xokiti, authentic, it's giving, yabo, it's giving that we can relate, it's giving ukuthi humble beginnings, those type of vibes, you know, and it's so nice. Ukuthi ma umuntu na ubukele abantu bafana nawe. But that's something that didn't make sense. Mina, in as much as I never thought it like that, but I was like, the English, the what, but I was like, hey, you know, let me not judge a book by its cover. Let me not, you know, cover a book by its judge. Young so I was like, okay, let me give her a chance, you know, to prove what's those type of vibes. And I was watching and I was enjoying. I'm like, I love her content. I'm even following her on Facebook and TikTok because Carly, I mean, Nani, I go in the background, it's screaming, humble beginning, so a lot of people were like, Nakia, you are doing this for content. This is not your life. What's that? It's change my bond with Yazin. Maybe it's a million about a content because she stays. I'm not gonna say mention. It's in because I don't know if it's a mention or what. I don't wanna be corrected. It's not a mention. It's an upstairs. It's not. So she stays in a shack. But so maybe I thought, okay, maybe she just wants to be independent, you know, have her own things. And another scenario that I told myself was maybe it happens. I've never seen a male figure in that house, but that was I thought. I was like, maybe mama is those type of vibes whereby mama is married and maybe she's not the biological child of the father, you know, it's giving stepfather vibes, you know, although I've never seen ubaba. Please, ngazothi mina ngithe angangiboni. But that was the thing that I thought to myself whenever I saw her. I saw her taking content at home, and I could see, oh wow, the home is beautiful, it's giving, you know. But that's what I told myself. Was I maybe girl who's feeling independent, or maybe about what has in la faxise kaya. So again, long piece in stepfather eating his pumela and goes in kalela. Those were the two scenarios that came to my mind. As I could see, there was a time where she was job hunting. Now I think she has a job. And also I was like, okay, it's giving. I want to be independent. It's giving. I want to have my own things. But Twitter was like, Narcissus, this is all an act. I'm like, what? They like, look at her. Like, you can tell she doesn't know this kind of life. Obviously, so as Ganjani, I mean, don't be a challenge in Kulu, my cigar figure, and cooking my church on being Magati, in Rianetta, Eboji, Maui wins and J. Bangasinji, clearing up happiness like if you know with Samazen Ganjani, near winter, you know what we are Lazuta, you know. Cool. She was doing a video showcasing my disadvantages with Khala Queen, and people are like, nah, this girl just doing this video because it was for a content monetization. And if that's the case, I mean, get your bag, girl. Why not? I mean, she's smart if that's what she thought it was. Okay, I'm just cooking. They're getting money on TikTok, and I've got it. I've got what it takes. How about content? Because if you know Imialo Yaga Rava or Raza, or you know that guy, I'll put a picture of him down there. Imialo Yaga Rava. He once spoke about the fact with my views, posting this, she post post those vibes, you know, those humble beginning. We are going to be like, it's authentic, it's rocky, so maybe now girl value I talk, what's okay. Ushoganje Rava, what's ubani? Wait a minute, wavela kitchen what's mkhukhu umthatha ungibeka ngaphi wabeka umkhukhu wahloma untombazana umkhukhu wakhe Cape Town ngathi hey aningazi ungena intombazana wathi yazini if it's for content then I will do it ngizahlala 3 days la emkhukhwini kubanda makushisa uyashisa umkhukhu ngigeza ngithi but mina I've seen her do this content from last year if I'm not mistaken, so I don't know. If she's acting, then she's a good actor. But if not, If not, if she's not acting, I think she deserves an apology from the public. Because as in, we are sorry, and I hope this doesn't deter her. She just keeps it going. Because I mean, we are here. Nathi sisifunela imali sikhuluma ngama-celeb, so ungakhathazeki my darling, kuzondlula kusasa kuzobe kuwumunye, so don't worry. And then there was this story about Faith Nketsi. She is currently arrested in Thailand for smoking vape because it is not allowed in Thailand. You can smoke vape. Allegedly, some people are saying Thailand has restrictions. You might even get a death penalty for having drugs, those types of. Allegedly, please. So, Mina, I'm like, I hope foreigners in South Africa can realize that other countries, it's no Babin Flakes. I went to Ramaphosa, uthini Rams, njengoba asiyena akayindawo. Mara uyabona my country ukuthi they've got strict laws. Imagine being arrested for vape. Tina, we are such a loving country. We are so very welcoming. Akunama rules. Kuyazenzela la eMzansi, but asikho lapho because politics and it's such a very tough discussion to have. I mean, nibonile abongizwe, so nami nje sengiphume entweni ezingangifuni. I mean, I don't have bodyguards, so ngifuna ukuzithola ngisey'kakeni, yabo. So cool. And I'm like, for someone who travels a lot, I think that she needs to educate herself. Was she wrong for doing what she did? I think ukuthi yena, she thought it's only vape. There's no harm in that, And she was vaping. Kamnandi ukelas enjoyela about the vibes, it's giving, baby moms, But unfortunately, at Thailand, they were like, no, not here, my sister. Bamtata bati, yay, arrested. But the funny parts that made me want to do this video is when there's someone who posted that businesswoman Faith Nketsi, and Twitter was on fire. But a businesswoman where? Which business are you talking about? So I'm like, how une business anazi kanti nina? I mean, if it is alleged, because most people are saying, hey, Rix and Twilly. So if Rix and Twilly, obviously, I can business ilona. Can't business iki na. You get? So I'm like, how kanti nanifuna ukuthi abantwana bantu manje sesisabana ama-business mara umuntu uyambona uyadayisa. Ngisho business is when you are selling something, when you are offering a service. And if that service involves ntwela, I mean, still service after all. So she's a businesswoman. Mina Shem, I was a businesswoman. Angibaphikisi, but I've never seen her enza those things. So it is alleged by most people. It's a rumor. It's a public known rumor. What's high? Why rekisa, So if I rekisa, businesswoman. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't leave without liking, commenting, subscribing, telling your friend, your sister, your brother, your mother. Hey, batsheleni bonke nomphakathi ukuthi uTumi's udinga ama-subscribers ukuze amonetize umntwana abantu. See you next time. Bye. Yola.